Friends, in this video for ithought Advisor, I'm going to talk to you on the topic why investors can't do what media does. I'm sure there are many investors who wake up, switch on their television and go to CNBC and see what happened in the US markets the previous night. Or you pick up your phone and check in your WhatsApp group as to how much lower or higher the Dow and Nasdaq closed. The anxiety to know how global markets closed has to do with forming an assessment about how the day is going to be in the Indian markets. This has almost become a habit for many investors. Seeing how the Asian markets used to open is also another way of extending that habit. So, that day's investment outlook, priorities, actions are all aligned to what happened in another market the previous day. Reacting to something like this is not new to us. Most investors are reactive and they react to information, news, trends, data. They react to everything they can react to. So, the tendency in media is to make you react. So, if you wake up and switch on a TV channel, their natural tendency is to either make you positive or negative. They'll never make you a bystander or somebody who is disinterested and focused on what he wants to do. But that is what you need to do. You need to be dispassionate about the mood of the market and instead focus on what you want to do with individual investment ideas. Now that you have a long calendar of data where every month there are several days in which critical data is out, this reactivity has gone up phenomenally. It's much higher today than it was ever before. It probably will get even more serious as an issue. We will become more reactive to data. So, media will take every day's data and try to analyze it to death. They will bring people who are more negatively oriented to talk about the data. And on the other side, they will bring people who are more positively oriented towards stock to talk about the stock. Now, this is going to be a paradox. On the one side, you hear negative gyan on data. On the other side, you hear super positive gyan on stocks. And you are supposed to ignore the data and buy these stocks or sell these stocks. This is more an engagement tactic than an intelligent discourse. You have to get up and watch TV, or you have to get up and follow a particular Twitter handle or watch a particular YouTube channel. So, the engagement priorities are driving people to excite you in one way on macros, make you pessimistic and try to tell that these are the stocks you must own, so just stick to these stocks. Either way, the investor's thought process, investment universe, behavior becomes narrow. This is something an investor can ill afford. Our thought process needs to be broad. We need to keep all these macro things at the back of our mind and still take investment actions aligned to our personal conviction. You can't borrow that conviction from a television guest or anchor. This problem will become more acute as global volatility rises, fears keep coming again and again to haunt us, and stock price movement becomes extremely unpredictable. Also, geopolitical aspects will continue to weigh on our minds and commodity price swings will affect our investment confidence. In the middle of all this, it's very important that we retain our investor confidence, grow it, ensure that we grow it in a place where we can deliver performance and stick to what we are good at. Focus is a very essential ingredient in this kind of a market environment. I don't watch TV, so I don't even know what they're saying, but still The impact of television comes through maybe social media, and you still get to hear what a few people say, either in a WhatsApp group or through videos which you are prompted to watch, or on Twitter. That impact is something which comes on us, and it's very important that you minimize that impact and focus on your priority. This will be the biggest challenge over the next 12 to 18 months. Investors who are extremely focused over the next 12 to 18 months are going to deliver a superior investment performance over those who are going to get distracted by all the noise around them. The noise will be very, very high, and getting distracted will be very, very costly. I hope all of us remember that we need to do what we need to do, not focus on what the media wants us to do or opinion makers want us to believe in. Our personal belief and conviction is what should drive us forward on this investment journey. Thank you for watching this video.